Bonjour, I'm Geri Metz of PronouncingFrench.com, and this is lesson 2 of our new series called French Pronunciation Tips and Tricks. And today we're going to look at another tricky vowel, and this is the vowel sound that you have in words like école, comment, professeur, monopole. And as an English speaker, you might look at those and be tempted to pronounce them like an O because they're all spelled O, and you might say école, or comment, or professeur, or monopole. But that's not the way they're pronounced in French. This vowel is called an open O. And why do we call it an open O? Is because the mouth is literally a little bit more open when you say it. So if you were saying a closed O, it would be O. But when you say the open O, it's O. And you can see that the mouth is literally a little bit more open. And the phonetic symbol for that sound is also an open O. It's an O with a little hole in it. Comment, école. Now, what is the French speaker doing to make this sound? Well, those are the answers that you'll get in my video course where we unpack that mystery and we start to learn what the French are doing to make those sounds. But for now, I can give you some tips. In any speech sound, no matter what it is, there are several things going on. One thing that's going on is what's happening on the inside of the mouth. Where is the tongue? Is it flat? Is it raised? What's going on with the tongue? And to make this sound, the tongue is raised a little bit toward the back of the mouth. École, just raised up a little. Now, if you were saying the sound ah, for example, the tongue would be pretty flat in the mouth. But to say ah, you're going to feel that it just goes up a little bit. The other thing that's happening in any speech sound is what the lips are doing. And here I can give you a trick. When you say this French sound, just draw in the corners of your lips a little bit with tension right there. École, comment, monopole. And that should help you a lot. Now, I'd like to share with you a comment that one of my students wrote in. Quote, "Your descriptions of how to shape your mouth are very useful. At school, we are only told to listen and repeat. It doesn't help us to identify where we are going wrong." Now, in my video course, you get 8 video lessons talking about all aspects of French pronunciation, but more than that, there are recorded exercises that I recorded so that you can repeat and practice and learn the new sounds better. And these exercises are like practicing scales on your musical instrument. They give you the technique to play your piece more beautifully, or in this case, to speaking French with more excellence. So I invite you to join all the others who have gained so much from my course. And remember, there is a money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose, except your English accent. Merci, et à la prochaine.